Hey y'all, so I decided to do some Marley twists, so let's get right into it. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, my name is Drika. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm most definitely who you need in your life. So y'all, this is the hair that I use, which is the Jamaican twist braid in the color 4, and I use a color 30 just to add a couple of highlights. And I want to say I use 2 packs of the 4s and just a little bit of the 30. I also use the Push It braid and edge gel by the Do, which I only use just to maintain or just to gather my flyaways. So what I like to do is split my hair into diagonal pieces just so it won't have to split right down the middle. So I split it into 2 diagonal pieces and I twist to the right, like I twist my hair and the braiding hair to the right, and then I twist the hair on the opposite side to the right also. And after I twist both of them to the right individually, I am going to twist to the left while twisting the hair. And I also use some pink oil moisturizer to one, help moisturize my hair, and to give my hair some slip while I was rolling the hair as I was twisting. So yeah, that made it way easier. So y'all gonna have to excuse how I was looking at this video because y'all, I was so sleepy. You could tell by my eyes. Your girl was done. I was done for. And I was only just beginning. This was the beginning and I was so tired. So yeah, y'all, I ended up doing just the front section that night. And y'all, I started on my hair super late. So it took me like 2 hours just to do the front and 3 hours to do the back, which is 5 hours in total. But we got it done. And y'all, I was supposed to keep my hair up for only 2 weeks. That's why I did the sections so big. But y'all, why my hair is still up, it's been a month. Okay, it's been a month. So I wanted to show you all again how I start my twist off with a twist. And all I do is split my hair into 2 diagonal pieces. And I get the braiding hair and put it in the middle. Twist the braiding hair with my hair to the right. And then I gather the other half of my hair and twist that to the right. And after that, I twist the actual twist to the left. So you have to really do whatever is comfortable for you. And if you can't start the twist with a twist, then just go ahead and start with the plait. It'll still look good either way. So it's the next morning, and I'm just showing you guys that I went ahead and did the 2 rows in the back, and that's how it look. And I went ahead and used this little bit of mirror, y'all, because I was too lazy to set up with my big mirrors. And honestly, y'all, I didn't really care how the parts looked in the back, but the parts look pretty good in the back for me to only be doing it with a little mirror. All right, y'all, so this is how my hair looked after I finished, and I did end up clipping and dipping my ends in hot water immediately after this, y'all, and I really enjoy my hair like this. Like I said, I was only aiming to keep this hair up for 2 weeks, but yes, it is still up, and it is going on a month, I think, Friday, and I will be taking it down on Friday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely share. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.